How to fix mobile tethering internet keeps disconnecting on Windows 11 10s. To fix mobile tethering internet keeps disconnecting on Windows 11 10s, try 1. Disable turn off hotspot automatically option in mobile tethering settings. And try disabling the power saving option for mobile hotspot on your Windows 10. 2. Alter or remove. Using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, third-party antivirus. 3. Stop your Windows PC from turning off the Wi-Fi automatically. 4. Reset DNS cache, TCP/IP, and WinSock by running these commands as admin. netshare WinSock reset netshare int IP reset IP protocol configuration /flushkins.